Welcome to the OpenStack with SolidFire Quality of Service demonstration video. We will demonstrate the integration that we have done with OpenStack to natively manage storage quality of service on a per volume basis. We're going to start out with having created the administrator account for OpenStack. And we're going to take down the management IP address for SolidFire. What we're going to do here is go into the cinder.conf file and associate SolidFire as the primary storage for OpenStack. We're going to enable the SolidFire driver, input the SolidFire management IP address, and OpenStack admin credentials. We are then going to restart Cinder to enable the SolidFire driver. So we're going to list the pre-configured volume that we've already created inside of the OpenStack system. And we can see that the IOPS configuration has been predefined: burst, min, and max. So inside of the OpenStack UI, we're going to create a volume. This volume will not be associated with SolidFire, just to show you the difference. So that volume gets created, it's now available. And as you can see, there's only one volume inside of SolidFire. So next we're going to create a volume, and this time we're going to create it on SolidFire. So as you can see, we selected the high perf volume type inside of SolidFire. We'll refresh, and you can see that there is a second volume that OpenStack has just created with the exact IOPS that we had specified. So what we're going to do now is create an instance and boot directly from the SolidFire storage volume. So again, we're creating another volume in the SolidFire system. And as you can see, it's downloading the operating system image. And what we're going to go in and do is actually tell OpenStack to boot directly from the SolidFire volume. So we're going to take in that volume ID and create a source. So as you can see that it is creating, it's the last volume on that list. And we'll check again, it's still creating, and now it will show up as available. So if we now look at instances, we're going to launch this instance, boot from volume, give it a name, set an administrator username and password. So upon clicking launch, this instance will now spawn, and this VM instance will boot directly from the SolidFire volume. Thank you for watching our demonstration on OpenStack with SolidFire Quality of Service.